For the last few weeks, my mind has been turning on what the best app for pool is, and in today's video, that's exactly what we're gonna find out. In today's video, we're gonna go over 5 different categories to figure out exactly which pool app is the best that is on the market right now. Plus, we are gonna add an additional 6th one at the end of the video regarding something that you guys might actually want to know more about than anything else. With that being said, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. All right, I got my phone on screen here. We are gonna go ahead and start with Bullseye Billiards. This is definitely one I'm most excited about. Looks like there is a premium option here. Wow, there are 5 different difficulties. There's 180 different options in the easy level. Then after that, once you complete all 180, it gives you the option to move up by paying for the subscription. Let's go ahead and jump into it. Let's go ahead and do this guy. Okay, you have a demo. Shoot the cue ball to contact the object ball at the rail and the rail at the same time. You hit half the object ball on the left side, straight top with a slow speed. Let's go ahead and get this set up. This app is actually developed by Jeremiah Gage from Bullseye Billiards, hence the name of the app. He has been mentioned multiple times in this channel, and I don't have his target that's supposed to be used with this app that you see here on the diagram. So we have the drill set up. We have our cue stick out. We are ready to go ahead and hit start training. It says it's a quick session, 10 attempts. Standard session is 20, deep session is 30. Let's go ahead and just do 10, start training. Tap the table to place the cue ball. Oh shoot, how do I go back? Undo last score. Oh, that was easy, that was nice. So our goal is to be right here on the rail. Okay, on here, that would be probably in the red. Okay, it said score 2, so I guess I scored 2 points, and now we just have to reset the drill. All right, that was a little outside. That's gonna be in the green. This app is definitely meant to have a target, but it's okay if you don't. Barely hit that one. That was better. Pretty close. 2 points on that one. All right, this is the last attempt. Let's do that there. Score. Woo. I don't know if you guys heard that, but we got some confetti. But it looks like it actually shows everywhere my cue ball went, which is really cool. I like that feature. That's cool. I earned an achievement. Create an account to keep this progress. Okay, so you do your first drill, then you create the account, and then you can keep tracking your statistics. I love how there's a lot of precision drills. Barely any expert, but there's a ton of moderate. So it's like easy, tons of moderate, a little bit of hard, even less of expert, and a ton of precision. Okay, let's go ahead and move on from Bullseye Billiards and go to Qards next. So this is actually something that I was able to share and save on my home screen. But this is actually a website, so anybody can access this, whether it's on their tablet, laptop, phone, Android, iPhone, right? It's just on the internet. And it is another subscription-based app, but there is still a ton of cards, a ton of different ways to play this. So let's go ahead and see what's going on here. Let's go ahead and go to leaderboard. Okay, sweet. So the reason it has my profile and my name in there is due to me signing in with my Google account. So I was able to do that before we started the video. So that's why it looks this way already, but I have not done anything yet. Drills, 0, right? Skill, 1000, that's just what it gave me. I haven't put anything in to get that number. Performance, no stats, my cards. Okay, tap to unlock. Oh, oops. Okay, $3.99 a month. This one actually has different kinds of runouts, which is pretty cool. I haven't seen that yet. Rule. Oh, okay, so like I said, this is kind of more like a game. Cue ball must hit a cushion after every pot. You can't use the center pockets. You can't use the same pocket twice. I really like the rules in this game for the cards. I think that is super cool. I do see a multiplayer option called Pass and Play, and it looks like I can add my friends. Daily shot, let's see what's going on. Layout, cue ball, and pockets. This is the daily shot. Okay, track completed. How many attempts? 1. Drill complete. This drill uses bonus bundle cards. Unlock the bonus bundle from my cards to access one shot and safety modes. Skill rating went up. Woo! Ayo! I do definitely like all the different options in here. It is another one that's heavy on the subscription where you can unlock a ton. It does say my cards is 141 out of 608. So I'm assuming that's what I have access to. Let's go ahead and move on to Cueist. Pool training. Welcome to Cueist, ready to take your game to the next level. Let's get started. Begin. What is Cueist? Ooh, it's free as long as I want. They also have a premium option. Each drill is shown as a diagram. Open drill diagram. Okay, so it's like a little tutorial of how to use the app. Select, see the shot in action. So that's what should happen. Rotate. Oh, I can change the way up. Oh, and I can get first person. That is cool. I like that feature. Okay, this is a very long introduction. Okay, we finally made it to where we can start playing a drill and playing pool. Time to practice. Here's what, okay, never mind. All right, so we're using top spin. We're sinking the one. This isn't really about shot making. This is more about cue ball 1, 2, and 3 rails to end up around here. Wow. Not nearly hard enough. 1, 2. All right, does that count? Ooh, ooh. Oh, wow, I put top spin. It did not go like it was supposed to though, so that's a fail. 100,000 drills. I do definitely like how there are so many different things going on. Definitely a ton of reading, but I guess that is what makes it a training app, a practice-based training app. So with that, let's go ahead and move over to Drill Room. This is the next app here. Power up your billiard game. Let's start. Set up the environments. Set up your device on a tripod by your billiard table. The camera height should be 5 feet. Okay, looks like you'll need a tripod. Sign in. Can't skip it. Select the voice. Oh, this is cool. Okay, super easy. We got in there real quick. Get unlimited access. Let's see what their subscription is like. $15 a month, or you can subscribe for a year, which is $90. Now with this, it just means I do need to get a tripod in order to do this. Let me go ahead and grab one real quick. Never mind, I do not have an extra tripod. Okay. Detect ball positions. Not even close. Doesn't look like this is actually very self-explanatory, or I'm just missing something. But it is a really cool feature that I can go and create these custom setups or layouts, so that way I can come back and practice them here on the table. Since we couldn't do a drill in Drill Room due to needing a tripod, I won't include that in the rating for it, and I'll still average it out so that way it still makes it in a good spot. Let's go ahead and do poolbilliards.co. This one is just like Qards, where it's actually, I can put it onto my home screen like it is an app, title it how I want to, and it's accessible on tablets, laptops, phones, because it's just on the internet. So let's go ahead and click here, go in, powered by Predator Diamond. Wow. 17,000 members, almost 4,500 diagrams, another almost 1,500 videos. It looks like it is a membership, so you can do it for free, but also you can get the membership. So if I click that, can I click diagrams? I cannot. This is full on, you have to pay to play. Dang, okay. So can't really rate this one, unfortunately. Might need to scratch this one from the list. Well, I think it's still an app. We'll go ahead and include it. Unfortunately, though, we can't really look at it. We don't have a membership. All right, let's go ahead and jump into the Railbird app. Let's see here. Welcome back. I don't have an account, so let's go ahead and sign in. Okay. Oh man, what a bummer. This is also a like either buy it or don't use it deal. Oh, that's cool. It's just showing everybody's practice session. I like that I can watch other people's experiences, more of a social side where you can see how other people play and shoot their shots. Let's go ahead and move into our last one, and hopefully we can get some shots in here. WPB, which is World Pool and Billiards, I want to say. All right, WPB app. This is going to be our last one here. Welcome to WPB. Train with purpose, unlock your stroke, and win more racks. Start training. What do you want to improve? Shot making, jumping, safety play. What games do you play most? 8-ball. That's honestly about it. Dang, there it is. Lifetime, yearly, and monthly. But looks like I can play on this one. Oh, and it comes with a shot clock in it as well. Nice. Oh, okay, this has the same option as the last one. We were able to make ours own here. Doesn't look like I can actually add a picture, but maybe it'll be a little bit simpler. So let's go ahead and do what we have here on the table 4. So that's been saved. So this is, again, something that I can make. That was a lot easier, I would have to say. I completely missed. Scorekeeper. Nice. Another free thing that you can use all in one app. I do like this app. It shows practice time, drills practice. Again, a lot of premium stuff, but it's still really cool. I can't do a whole lot with those last 3, but let's go ahead and put it into rankings, and I'll explain why I put each one into its own ranking. All right, we have the final standings after I tried to take in everything I could regarding each app that we were able to use, and even the ones that we weren't able to use. So there is a lot of information I'm going to go over. So what I'm actually going to do instead is I'm going to go through my top 3, list a few reasons, make it kind of quick. But regarding all 7 apps, there will be a link just to a random, like a free PDF. Don't need to put your email in. It's just click on the link and then bam, there's all the information that I've just typed up here. So I went through 5 different categories for this rating, and then I ended up adding a 6th one that I didn't think about at the beginning of the video. To start off with, ease of use. I went ahead and put Qards as number 1, Bullseye Billiards as number 2, and Drill Room as number 3. Even though you do need a tripod for the drill room, it is pretty simple setup and start. For Qards, I like that it was accessible on any device that you can get internet. And with Bullseye Billiards, it was the exact opposite as Cueist in the sense of you just sign up and you start. And then with Cueist, it felt like there was a ton of reading, so I kind of put that one last. The amount of drills, Cueist number 1, Pool Billiards number 2, and Qards number 3. The amount of drills, like I said, there's over 100,000 that is listed on Cueist, and they were all built by people, which is really cool. Pool Billiards, they mentioned that they have almost 4,500 diagrams, which is insane. But the caveat is that there's 0 freebies. And then Qards, 141 freebies out of 608 total. Types of drills. Bullseye Billiards and Qards were neck and neck on this one. I do feel like Bullseye Billiards had a lot, like just more categories to go off of, more specifics. So if you wanted to learn about something specific, you might have a drill that's in this category and you might find it in this other category, depending on what you're trying to practice and train up on. So I do really like how Bullseye Billiards was super specific with all of their categories. Qards, like I said, is very close second, just different formatting, I want to say. And the next one was WPB, different categories. And then they also had a ton of different categories with also a ton of different modules. Stats tracker. This is my bread and butter, what I value the most. My number 1 was Qards because of how it tracks multiplayer stats, daily stats, your practice drill stats, and it also gives you a skill rating level depending on how all the rest of those are going for you. Drill room shows public leaderboard attempts, score, time, and challenges, and it gives you a lot of AI-based percentages, which is kind of cool. And then Bullseye Billiards was number 3 on my list. It shows multiple different lessons per drill, and it's regarding score, pocketing, and positioning. So it's kind of like they're all intermixed into a very readable and easy format. The fun, motivating, or extra factor, these are things that I just found cool, that I found were interesting specifically to the app. Qards is number 1, and Bullseye Billiards is number 2. The reason for that is Qards, for me, seems like a lot more of a fun game based with your friends aspects, and I really did like that, how you can actually have friends on the website and kind of compare with them, as well as battle with them and pass and play if you're in person. And then Bullseye Billiards had multiple different awards that you could earn depending on how you perform. The number 3 for that one was Cueist, mainly because it had multiple different visuals to see the shot. You can rotate the table, get a POV, which is really cool. I haven't seen that before. Now we are going to go on to the 6th category, which was subscriptions. For me, I am a sucker when it comes to options for paying my money, like paying somebody money. If I wanted to do a monthly option, WPB had an $8 monthly fee, and then they also had an annual option, which is $60, and then a lifetime option, which is $200. I just feel like those prices do make sense for what they are offering. I don't think I'd ever get the lifetime, but it is really cool that they have that option. Second was Bullseye Billiards. Same reasoning, they're just a little bit more expensive. So the monthly is $10, the annual is $80, and then the lifetime option that they had was actually same price, $200. For the third, this is actually surprising, you haven't heard me say them yet, is Pool Billiards. Their monthly is $15, their annual is $150, and their lifetime is $280. That one to me is super cool. Given the price, I feel like that price is fair, because it does come with the option to get coaching as well as a projector integration. I don't have that, and I assume most people don't, but it is a cool option that if I did, I would probably go with that one specifically because of that integration. That is my rankings per category. I usually do an overall rankings as well, but this time I really want to leave it up to you guys to tell me what your opinion is when it comes to your overall rankings. Based on what you saw in this video, what is your number 1, your number 2, and your number 3? And if you're interested in giving your full opinion, I do want to see what you're least likely to use ever, or never even heard of. Like, what's your bottom? Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Again, make sure to leave your comments, your opinions. Make sure to give this video a like, and be sure to subscribe if you're interested in content relating to pool or tournaments or just behind the scenes stuff. I am excited for next week's video because this table is getting brand new felt. So thank you guys again so much for watching. This has been Trent on the Break. Peace.